Hey friends, we are back with another interesting experiment which shows that carbon dioxide does not support combustion. The materials I have taken for the experiment are water in a small jar, a glass to conduct the experiment, sodium bicarbonate commonly known as baking soda. It is a salt component of sodium cation and bicarbonate anion. It is one of the key ingredients used for baking. I have taken vinegar. Vinegar consists of acetic acid. We also need a spoon for the experiment, and obviously we need a matchbox to conduct the experiment. Now, pour some water into the glass. Yes, you need to pour some water into the glass carefully. Here I am taking a small quantity of sodium bicarbonate in the spoon. See, that's my quantity. I have taken that much of sodium bicarbonate. Now I'll be adding vinegar to the same spoon. Yes, I'll be adding vinegar to the spoon. You hear that freezing sound? Yes, you immediately need to stir it into the glass of water. And without wasting time, all you have to do is lit the matchstick. You see, the flame goes off in a second. Oh, did I blow that off? Oh, let's check it once again. So I'll be lighting the matchstick and it goes off. What's the science behind it? When the chemical reaction takes place, the bicarbonate of soda breaks the contact with vinegar. The oxygen and carbon get separated and the flame extinguishes. Do try at home. If you are a child, do ask any elder person to light a matchstick and hold it near the glass.